Hi, welcome back to Tony's Reviews. In this video, I'll be showing you Apache Guacamole Honest Review. So, Apache Guacamole here is an open source remote access tool created by Apache Software Foundation. It's actually designed to let you access computers and servers directly through a browser. Now, the big idea behind it is clientless remote access, meaning there's no need to install separate remote desktop software on the device you're connecting from. As long as there's a modern browser, it can connect to systems using common protocols like RDP for Windows machines, VNC for graphical desktops, or SSH for command line access. Everything runs through a server you control, which acts as the gateway between you and the machines you're connecting to. Now, when looking at whether Apache Guacamole is worth using here, most feedback from technical communities and software review platforms paint it as a powerful but uh, purpose specific tool. Based on reviews and documentation here, especially popular in IT environments, labs, universities, and companies that need centralized remote access. Now, once it's properly set up, people often describe it as stable and reliable, with convenience of having all remote sessions accessible from one browser-based dashboard, and this makes it useful for managing multiple systems without juggling different remote desktop apps. Now, one of the biggest reasons Guacamole here gets attention is that it's completely free and open source. So there's no licensing fees or per user charge and no time limits for teams trying to avoid the cost of commercial remote access tools. Now, there is a major advantage here. It also supports strong security practices like HTTPS encryption and integration with authentication systems, which is why it's often used in controlled or enterprise environments. That said, reviews consistently point out that Apache Guacamole isn't a plug and play solution, so setting it up usually requires server knowledge and familiarity with Linux, and some understanding of networking and security. Now, the installation process can feel complex if you're used to, let's just say, to consumer friendly tools that work immediately after installation. This learning curve is one of the most commonly mentioned downsides, especially for individuals who just want a quick remote access without technical setup here. Another thing that actually comes up here is security. Now, security is another area that comes up in discussions like any remote access system. Now, Guacamole needs to be kept updated and properly configured, so past security advisories have shown that outdated or poorly configured installations can introduce risk, but this is generally framed as a maintenance responsibility rather than a flaw in software itself. When kept up to date and secured correctly, it's widely regarded as a safe option. Now, overall, Apache Guacamole is worth using if the goal is flexible browser-based remote access with full control over hosting and configuration. Now, it shines in professional and technical environments where customization and cost savings matter more than ease of setup. For someone looking for a simple, beginner-friendly remote desktop app, it may feel overwhelming, but for teams or individuals comfortable managing servers, it's a solid and well-respected solution. Now, out of everything we found here, we could assume that this is pretty much legit and worth using in the right setup here, depending on what you need. And that's about it. So, if you found this video helpful, hit the like and subscribe button, and watch our next video.